Hey guys, what's going on? It's TCARP here. Alright, it has come to my attention that some of you still don't know what the Work Sharp Field Sharpener is. So I kind of want to break this down a little bit for you guys. I got the Meteor Edition. I'm a big fan of the show, so that's me, but you can get any one of them. And for the knife I'm going to be using today, this is the BAER Stockman, the Copper Edition. I think 01, yeah, 01 tool steel. So super easy. So what you do is you have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides to this, or 5 sharpening methods to this. I've already got this thing very nice. I don't have to sharpen it. Like it doesn't have any nicks or anything, so I don't have to re-edge it. So I'm not going to use the 2 diamond stones here. Don't have to worry about that. I'm just going to use the honing stuff, which it's got a coarse rod. It's got a coarse rod here, which you can see it's well used. And then you've got a fine one, and then you've got a strop, which the strop you can tell has removed some metal. I probably need to put some like green, more green substance on there, but basically what you can do is it sets the angle for you. So if you follow these guides, it sets that 20-degree angle here. So you can hold it in your hand and just do that. And I know I make a weird thing with my mouth when I do this. I'm trying not to. I'm also trying to do this hold it up for the camera. And you'll do it so many times that you'll feel it. You can feel you can feel the knife honestly just get smoother, especially with these high carbon steels. And this has even worked for my my really like my Spydercos that have the S30Vs and whatnot. It's worked well. And then the strop is the opposite way. You don't cut toward the strop, you cut away from the strop. And it does a great little job of doing that. And paper cut. Beautiful. And that's just, quick, easy, simple. Nope, rip that. So, guys, that's just a quick, easy, and simple way to show you how this works. Like I said, I don't have to retouch or re-profile the whole blade, but this thing, I think it's 30 or 40 bucks. It's so easy. Keep it with you. It can just absolutely redo or retouch up anything. And you don't have to carry a huge strop. You just carry this around, and man, it just does so well. So I'm not affiliated with them. You can purchase these wherever. Work Sharp Field Sharpener.